Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, welcome to this YouTube channel. Now, in this season, we are suffering from extreme cold, especially North India is suffering from very severe cold. And this cold season brings for everyone many problems, lungs problems, upper respiratory problem. So to overcome this acute problem, I suggest some of the homeopathic medicines which will be very helpful. The common medicines, and these are all polycrest medicines. It has very broad spectrum. It is useful in many day-to-day problem. The basic is for cold season, seasonal. In homeopathy, there is seasonal medicines which can help to fight the problem of all three seasons. So in this cold season, the fundamental medicines I suggest here is Brownia dulcamara, aconite, lemna minora, and heifer sulfur, Ritamur, and Timtat, Kalicar. So these are the first line medicines. In this, Brownia is very helpful in upper respiratory problem, especially dry cough due to cold. Many people they suffer from cough without any sputum, without any exudation. So this is Brownia is 30 power, 30 C is very helpful. The other medicine, if there is a children, there is a case of rattling sound, there is a cough problem, and cough do not come out very easily, and sound rattling. So for this rattling sound, Antimonium tartaricum 30 power is recommended. Likewise, the character, one should understand the cough character and cough timing. There are cough which come in the early morning, 3 o'clock. So early morning cough for that that characteristic is in the Kali carbonicum 30 power. So that is helpful. If the cough is after waking up at 6 o'clock, so timing is important in homeopathic treatment. If it is at 6 o'clock morning and patient gets as soon as he gets up, he gets a cough episode and coughing problem. So for that, heifer sulfur is the best medicine.